Today I'm going to teach you how to add custom liquid to your Shopify store. This is incredibly useful if you want to insert custom code, whether it's HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, to personalize your store's appearance or add unique functionality that isn't available through standard Shopify sections. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log in to your Shopify account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Shopify homepage where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Now take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation menu with several options. Click on Online Store. This section is where you'll manage everything related to your store's front-end design, including themes, pages, and navigation menus. Once you're in the Online Store section, you'll see your current theme displayed prominently. This is the design framework that controls how your store looks to customers. Right beside your current theme, you'll notice an Edit Theme button. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you into the theme editor where you can make customizations to your store's layout and design. Inside the theme editor, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll see all the sections that are currently part of your theme. These sections control different parts of your homepage, like banners, featured products, and text blocks. To add a new section, click on Add Section. A menu will appear with various section types you can choose from. For this tutorial, we're interested in adding custom code, so click on Custom Liquid. This section type allows you to insert your own code directly into your theme. Now for this example, let's say you've used AI to generate an HTML code snippet that you want to add to your store. Copy that code from wherever you've generated or stored it, then head back to Shopify. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a field labeled Liquid Code. This is where you'll paste your custom code. Go ahead and paste it into that field. Once your code is in place, you'll notice that the Custom Liquid section appears in your themes section list on the left. You can click and drag this section to rearrange its position on your page, placing it exactly where you want it to appear. After you've positioned your Custom Liquid section and made sure everything looks the way you want, head over to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a Save button there. Click it to save all your changes. This ensures that your custom code is now live on your storefront and will be visible to anyone who visits your site. And that's it. You've successfully added custom liquid to your Shopify store, giving you the flexibility to customize your site beyond the standard options. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.